Yeah, let's unbox this thing. This is more than just the backpack vacuum. Okay. Okay, brother. You don't need to do the separate one. Bring that phone. It's by Happy Alley is the brand of this. Wait. They tape this. This is from Happy Alley. Whoa. This is the floor tool. Here's this thing. All right, now let's unbox the big one. Whoa, that's heavy. Let's unbox this one. I can tell. What the heck? Cleaning for health. That's what this is. Whoa, that's heavy. Whoa. It's a ProTeam box. It says ProTeam Inc. Are you still recording me?
Mm-hmm.
Good job. Let's see what it looks like. Should we see? Let's see what it looks like, shall we? Okay, then we can adjust the harness to my size, because... And then... What is going on? Hey, stay on that. There we go. Here we have all the stuff we need. What is all this? It's just plastic and... Here's the... Let me pull this out. Here's just the hose. Oh, it's really... It's like that. I don't know. Here is the vacuum cleaner itself with the power cord. And here's everything I need in there. Here's the hose. You like that? And what is all this? It'll come out. I hope you're still filming.
Mm-hmm.
And then I can get a... Here, where are the scissors? Where are the scissors? Beep. Did you get the part where I took it out?
Mm-hmm.
You're amazing. Mm-hmm. You're welcome to ask some questions if you want. I will take it out of there once I unbox these. Here's the telescoping wand. Oh. Ooh. This is a telescoping wand. Yep, telescoping wand, all right. And this is another part of it. I've never seen that. What else is in here? This is just the standard floor tool. You don't really see that every day, do you? No. Anything else in there? Let me try opening it from the other side, right? I saw what you're doing. I like it. What's this? This is the crevice tool. What else is in there? Here's a dusting brush. It's a little different. And last but not least, there's the upholstery tool. Now, I can take the vacuum out of this. I'm going to take this out. And here it is. Oh, the cord is right there. Did you get it?